Okay, bitches, I've been hanging out at this really cool place on top of a mountain, and you can hike down to this super cool clothing optional area, and it's like a literal paradise. So when you walk down, this is like the shortcut, basically, and you see all these signs, and you see all these cactuses. This is the lookout that looks over the beach. You can see it down to my left, if that's what you're looking at. Nice little view coming in. This is, Bagel Beach, I call it. The Lyra was a great addition. I had to get wet because the hiking is a little treacherous. There's Brandon on the Lyra. Bagel just splowering. Bagel on Bagel Island. She likes her own time, you know? She's really good at hiking. We hiked up the canyon to find a little secret spot to make some content right in this little cave here. And Bagel just loves the sun. She's a Mexican desert dog. This is a tadpole pool. That's me just sunning my buns. We met an archaeologist who gave me this sandstone and this, I feel like it was called rhodesiite or something. I can't remember what it was called. But it's like a soapstone that's soft so you can sand it down. Look at these little frogs. They blend in so well. I almost smushed one. Anyways,
but I got
can't
this
remember
thing
what the
down
stone is
to
called,
like a
but I
teardrop
carved
shape.
it down. I sanded it down as a
Okay,
little
we're
piece.
back.
I
So I
carved
sanded
it
it down.
drilled
I'm
a
gonna drill
hole
a hole
in
in
it.
it.
I'm gonna polish it all up
look at
real
this.
nice. This is some
But
cave
it's gonna be a little
womanship right
teardrop
here, and I did
necklace.
it.
Look how
It's almost done there.
cute.
And I had some help. Bagel taking a
Obviously.
nap.
Bagel
She's
taking a nap.
Bagel's
Exhausted.
exhausted. She's had a
This is
long
the little
weekend.
cove. That's the
long
deep
couple
little pool
days.
that I was
Lots of
taking
hiking.
a dip in.
Look,
I drilled the
hole
hole
through it.
through
Now
it.
I
I
can
can
make a
put
little
a
necklace out of it.
necklace.
Polish it up and smooth it out.
What's the weapon called?
Vashram. Vashram. It's a Vashram. It's a weapon.
Yeah.
It's a weapon for a goddess.
It's a weapon for a
view
god.
on the
This
way
is the
out
beach.
of,
There
like,
wasn't
down
so
the
many people there
canyon.
today, so I could actually get
And
some
this is
views.
me hiking out. This is Bagel being Simba and Bagel Simba. So,
Bagel.
this is pretty exhausting.
I
We
was
didn't
trying
have
to
any
show off
drinks
here.
or
I was like, look,
anything
get me
today, so I
running
felt
up
like
the
we were in pretty
stairs.
good shape walking
And
back.
then I
This
fell
actually seems
immediately.
like the shortest time so far. So look at me running. Look at me running.
I
I
got
got some
some
tacos
tacos
after because it was a really
Then
long
we
day and I didn't
decided
feel
to
like
take
cooking.
his car and go get some
Sonoran
tacos
dogs? You don't even know.
And a
What do you know about a
Sonoran
Sonoran
hot
dog?
dog?
I didn't
You
know
ever
nothing
heard of a
until
Sonoran
yesterday.
hot dog?
I haven't. Some
It
burrito
was fucking
tacos
bomb.
and some masada
And some
tacos.
burrito
And we
tacos.
fucked that
And
shit
some masada
tacos.
It was delicious.
And yeah, I fucked that shit up. I fucked
I
that
kinda
shit
want
up.
another Sonoran
It was
dog right
delicious. Bagel
Then
is
we came back
literally
to the bus.
exhausted.
The bus
And
was
then we got
dead.
back to the
Having some
bus.
battery troubles, but it was a beautiful day.
And
All
the
in all,
sun is
if you ever
about
get
to
a chance to
set.
hike
It's a
down
beautiful
to
day.
Tanque Verde Beach, you should do it.
It was a beautiful day.